Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to play Xbox games on your MacBook Air. First, you'll need a stable internet connection and a compatible Xbox controller. We'll explore two main methods: Xbox Cloud Gaming, which lets you stream games directly from the cloud, and Xbox Remote Play, allowing you to stream from your own Xbox console. Both offer fantastic ways to enjoy your favorite titles on the go. Xbox Cloud Gaming allows you to play hundreds of games directly through your web browser, like Safari or Chrome, without needing to download them. You'll need an active Game Pass Ultimate subscription. For optimal performance, aim for an internet speed of at least 20 megabits per second. Simply pair your Xbox wireless controller via Bluetooth to your MacBook Air, and you are ready to play. With Xbox Remote Play, you can stream games directly from your Xbox console to your MacBook Air. First, download the free Xbox app from the Mac App Store. Ensure your Xbox console is either on or in instant-on power mode. For the smoothest experience, connect both your MacBook Air and Xbox to a strong home network, ideally using a 5 GHz Wi-Fi connection. To truly enhance your gaming, always use an official Xbox wireless controller. It offers the best compatibility and feel. For cloud gaming, if possible, connect your router to the internet with an Ethernet cable for maximum stability. Close any background applications on your MacBook Air to ensure smooth performance. Finally, using quality headphones will provide immersive audio and improve your overall experience.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.